Good afternoon, students. Today we are continuing with the dimensional formulas. That is 27th. That's Boltzmann Constant. Okay. Now write the formula for Boltzmann Constant. It is very simple formula. Kb is equal to heat by temperature. Heat by temperature. Boltzmann constant is represented by Kb. Okay. Boltzmann constant is denoted by the formula that is heat by temperature. Already we know the formula for heat. That is the dimensional formula for heat, which is nothing but mL square T power minus 2. For temperature, it is Kelvin. Now, we substitute in this formula for heat. It is mL square T power minus 2. And for temperature, it is Kelvin. So here we can write K. So now the dimensional formula for Boltzmann constant is mL square T power minus 2 and Kelvin power minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for Boltzmann constant. Next one, Stephen constant. Next one, Stephen constant. That is sigma. So it is calculated from the energy formula. Okay. So E is equal to sigma AT into T power 4. Here E, which is nothing but energy, and A, which is nothing but area, and T, which is nothing but time, and for capital T, it is temperature. Okay. So now write the dimensional formula for all. That is mL square T power minus 2. And for area, it is L square. And for time T, it is T. And for temperature, it is K. Now substitute in this formula mL square. Now we want only the sigma value, no? So we just rearrange the formula first. Sigma is equal to E by A T into T power 4. Okay. So now sigma only we have to calculate. So just to rearrange the formula, then we have to substitute the formula E by AT into T power 4. So for energy, it is ml square T power minus 2. And for area, it is L square. And for time, it is T. And the temperature, it is Kelvin power 4. Okay. Now cancel all these things. Then T, 1T. Okay. So finally, M L power minus 3 Kelvin power minus 4. Sorry, it is T. Okay. M T power minus cube and K power minus 4. So this is the dimensional formula for Stephen constant. Next one, permittivity in space. Okay, in free space. Okay, permittivity in space. So this should be calculated from the formula, that is F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by R square. Okay. Here permittivity is represented by the symbol that is epsilon naught. Okay. So far we just to rearrange the formula. So here epsilon naught only we want. Okay. This quantity only we want. So 4 pi, which is nothing but it is a dimensionless constant. 4 pi, which is nothing but it is a dimensionless constant. So we just neglect it. So for cross multiplying, F R square. Okay, F R square. We just multiply. Okay, here Q1 Q2 by F R square. Okay, so by cross multiplying all these values, epsilon naught is equal to Q1 Q2 divided by F into R square. Okay. So now write the dimensional formula. So already we are known the value for Q, which is nothing but A into T. Okay. For F, that is force, ml T power minus 2. And for R, which is nothing but a distance, that is L. Okay. So now substitute all the values. A T into AT divided by force formula, that is ml t power minus 2 into L square. Okay. So now just multiply the values here. AT square. Okay. Divide by ml cube into t power minus 2. Then finally what you will be getting, m power minus 1, L power minus 3 and t power 4 a square. Okay. So this is the dimensional formula for epsilon naught, that is permittivity in free space. Okay. Okay, very good. Next one, the last one, permeability. Permeability. Okay. So this should be represented by the symbol that is mu naught. Okay. So mu naught value should be calculated by the formula, that is B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into IDL sin theta by R square. Okay, so here L, which is nothing but it is the smallest length, so we can write it DL alone by R square, and sin theta, which is nothing but it is the dimensionless constant, so we neglect. Okay, here 4 pi also it is a dimensionless constant. So mu naught IL by R square into B. We want only mu naught. So rearrange the formula, that is mu naught is equal to B into R square by I into L. Okay. Now substitute the values. Already we know the value for magnetic field. B, which is nothing but it is a magnetic field. And for radius, it is calculated in meter. So it is in meters. Here R, which is nothing but radius, and I, which is nothing but it is a current, and L, which is nothing but it is a length. Okay, now substitute all the dimensions. So for magnetic field, it is m t power minus 2 into a power minus 1. And for R square, it is L square divided by, for current, it is ampere, that is A. For length, it is L. Okay. Now cancel all these things. That is A, which is nothing but ampere. We can push it above. So m t power minus 2 into L a power minus 2. So here 1L, L, it should be cancelled. Okay. So what is the formula for permeability, that is mu naught value should be equal to m t power minus 2 L into a power minus 2. So simply m L t power minus 2 into a power minus 2. So first priority is always m L t. Okay. Is this clear, children? It is easy to follow. Yes. இதுவரை நம்ம பார்த்தது எல்லாமே +1 +2 bookல இருக்கிற important formulas and the dimensional formulas. Okay. So next dimension இல்லாத some physical quantities இருக்குது. So அதெல்லாம் என்னென்னன்னு பார்க்க போறோம். Okay. So இந்த dimensional இல்லாத என்னென்ன quantities இருக்கோ அதெல்லாமே பார்த்து முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் இது ரிலேட்டடா இருக்கிற problems நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். Okay. Next one, dimensionless quantity. Dimensionless quantity. First one, angle. Angle என்ன கிடையாது, dimensions கிடையாது. Next, angular displacement. Angular displacement. Then third one, the values sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and cot theta. All these thetas are dimensionless quantities. Then fourth one, pi into e power x. Then fifth one, efficiency. What is the formula for efficiency? Put it in the comment box, children. Efficiency, which is nothing but output power by input power. Okay, very good. Next one, Reynolds number. Okay. This Reynolds number is represented by RE. Okay, I will give you one simple example. How the dimensions, we won't get it. Okay. So for RE, the formula which is inertia force. Inertia force by viscous force. Simply we are writing rho into B into L divided by mu. Okay. So here rho, which is nothing but density, and v, which is velocity, and L, it is length. Okay. And mu, which is nothing but coefficient of viscosity. Coefficient of viscosity. Now substitute all the parameters. So that is, I write the dimensional formula, that is m L power minus 3. Here velocity Lt power minus 1, and for length it is L, and for coefficient of viscosity it is m L power minus 1 and T power minus 1. Okay. Now all these values are substituted here. For rho, it is m L power minus 3. And here it is Lt power minus 1. And for length, it is L divided by m L power minus 1 and T power minus 1. Okay, now cancel all these things. For m, it is cancelled. And for L power here, L power minus 3. Okay, right. Here, T is cancelled. Here it is L square. Okay, L power minus 3, L square, and divide by L power minus 1. Okay, L power of minus 3, it is L cube. Okay, we just bring it L power minus 1. So L power minus 1 mala ponamna, it is plus. So plus value, minus value, it should be cancelled. Okay, so there is no dimension. There is no dimension. So simply we can say that it is a dimensionless constant. Okay, so it is one example, children. Okay, so generally Reynolds number சொல்லிட்டு போயிடலாம். பட் எப்படி டைமென்ஷன் இல்ல அப்படின்றத நீங்க தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்ன்றதுக்காக தான் இந்த ஃபார்முலாஸ் நம்ம போட்டு அதுல இருந்து சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணி போட்டிருக்கிறோம். சோ இதே மாதிரி ஒரு 4 क्वेश्चंस, ஒரு 4 பாராமீட்டர்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு இதுல எது டைமென்ஷன் லெஸ் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் அப்படின்னு கால்குலேட் பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. சரியா? சோ அப்படி சொல்லும் போது நம்மளுக்கு ஃபார்முலாஸ் தெரிஞ்சா மட்டும்தான் நம்மளால என்ன பண்ண முடியும், ஆன்சர் பண்ண முடியும். சோ அதனால ஃபார்முலா இஸ் வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். சரியா? சோ இந்த ஃபார்முலாஸ் எல்லாமே படிச்சிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா நம்மளால ஈஸியா டைமென்ஷனல் ஃபார்முலாஸ் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி அந்த ஈஸியா அந்த क्वेश्चंस நம்ம ஆன்சர் பண்ண முடியும். Okay, so this is one simple example. Next one, 7th Q factor, or otherwise call it as a quality factor. Then 9th one, magnification of length. Magnification of a lens. So this should be calculated by the formula, that is m is equal to h2 by h1, which should be is equal to v by u. Okay, simultaneously we should learn the formula also. Next one, refractive index. Refractive index. Refractive index is represented by the letter that is mu. Mu is equal to C by V. Mu is equal to C by V. p, which is nothing but speed of light. Speed of light. Then v, which is nothing but velocity of light. That is phase velocity. Phase velocity or velocity of light. Okay. So what is the value of speed? It is L t power minus 1. And velocity, it is also L t power minus 1. So here cancel, cancel. There is no dimensions. Okay. So refractive index is also a dimensionless quantity. Okay. It is easy, children. Yes. Next one, Poisson ratio. Poisson ratio is denoted by the symbol that is sigma. Okay, so it is also a dimensionless quantity. So we just known the formula for this one. Delta R divided by delta L divided by L. What is the values? That is the lateral strain. Lateral strain divided by longitudinal strain. Okay, already we are known that for stress only having the dimensional formula, and strain there is no dimensions. Okay, strain என்ன கிடையாது, dimensions கிடையாது. So அதனால ரெண்டுமே strain அப்படின்றதுனால Poisson ratio, which is nothing but it is a dimensionless quantity. Okay. Next one, relative density. Relative density. That is specific gravity. Specific gravity. ரெண்டு ஒண்ணுதான். Okay. So this should be calculated by the formula. Simply we are writing RD. RD is equal to rho into rho divided by rho. That is substance by reference. எந்த particular bodies we need the rho values அதை வந்து we have to calculate. Okay. Sometime in the reference values reference வந்து water ஆவும் choose பண்ணிக்குவாங்க, water ஓட density ஆவும் choose பண்ணிக்குவாங்க. Okay, so here rho, which is nothing but density. Density. Okay, so density of a body by density of water. நாம எடுக்கக்கூடிய substance வந்து any other bodies இருக்கலாம். Okay, so any other bodies இருக்கலாம். Reference வந்து sometimes waters தான் most of the times choose பண்ணுவாங்க. சரியா? So this is the formula for a relative density. or specific gravity. So it is calculated by the formula that is density of a body divided by density of water. Here, relative density is also a dimensionless quantity. Next one, phase. 13. That is a relative permittivity. Relative permittivity. Epsilon R. Is anybody knows the formula for epsilon R? Epsilon is equal to epsilon naught, epsilon R. Okay, now tell me the value for epsilon R. What is it? Very good. Epsilon divided by epsilon naught. Okay. So here epsilon R, which is nothing but it is a dimensionless quantity. Okay. Next one. Relative permeability. Relative permeability. That is mu is equal to mu naught, mu R. So relative permittivity is represented by the symbol that is mu R. Now tell me the formula for mu R. Mu R is equal to mu divided by mu naught. Epsilon R divided by epsilon. Epsilon R is equal to epsilon by epsilon naught, and mu R is equal to mu by mu naught. Is very, very important formulas in physics. Very good. Okay, children. Next one, unitless quantity. Okay, unitless quantity. First one, displacement gradient. Displacement gradient. Displacement gradient, there is no unit. Okay. For joules, we don't get it the dimensional formula. Okay. Next one, we can go for the problems. Okay. It's a very, very simple practice sums. So first one, the dimensions of Planck constant. Planck's constant equals to that of what? First one, energy, and second one, momentum, and third one, angular momentum, and fourth one, power. So tell me the answer for this question, children. The dimensions of Planck's constant is equal to what? Yes, C. Angular momentum. Okay, right. So இப்ப இதை ஈஸியா நம்மளால இந்த மாதிரி கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்டா நம்மளால ஈஸியா ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ற மாதிரி நம்ம சேம் டைமென்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கிற குவான்டிட்டிஸ் எல்லாமே நம்ம இப்ப பார்க்க போறோம். ஓகே, சோ என்னென்ன டைமென்ஷன்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாமே பிசிக்கல் குவான்டிட்டிஸோட வேல்யூஸ் வந்து சேமா இருக்குது, டைமென்ஷனல் ஃபார்முலா இட் ஷுட் பி சேம் அப்படின்றத நம்ம இப்ப பார்க்க போறோம். ஓகே, same dimensional, same dimensions இருக்கிற quantities. Okay, the first one we put it the set 1. Okay, set 1. So now write the answer for the previous one, that is Planck's constant and angular momentum. Angular momentum. So both of them, Planck constant ko angular momentum ko same dimensional formulas da varum. Okay, what is it? M L square T power minus 1. Okay, next set 2, that is force and impulsive force. Impulsive force. What is the dimensional formula for both of them? What is the answer? சீக்கிரமா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். இதெல்லாம் நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி கிளாसेसல பார்த்ததே தான். சோ ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு தடவை நோட்ட திருப்பி பாருங்க என்ன எழுதிருக்கீங்க அப்படினு. Yes, very good. This M L T power minus 2. Next, the third one, set 3. That is angular frequency. Angular frequency or simply frequency. Velocity gradient. Velocity gradient or decay constant. Decay constant. இது எல்லாத்துக்குமே என்ன வரும் பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். And angular velocity here, right? Angular velocity is also t power minus 1. Okay, right, good. Then set 4. Distance. Distance. Displacement. Displacement. Wavelength. And radius of gyration. இதோட dimensional formulas என்னன்னு சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Distance, displacement, wavelength, radius of gyration. And right, one more we have to add, that is wavelength. Yes, it is L. Okay, good. Next one. Set 5. Acceleration. Centripetal acceleration or centrifugal acceleration. இதோட dimensional formulas சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Yes. L t power minus 2. Yes, very good. Next, set 6. Momentum and impulse. So what is the value? Dimensional formula values. Momentum and impulse. Yes. M L t power minus 1. Right, very good. Next, set 6, 7. Wave number. Reynolds constant. and power of length. இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் values சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Wave number, Rydberg constant, and power of length. Yes, very good. It is L power -1. Next one, set 8. Heat, work done, and energy. So what is the value for the dimensional formula for all these things? Heat, work done, energy, the dimensional formulas என்ன வரும்? Yes, m L square T power -2. Very good. Next one, set 8. Set 9. Pressure, Young's modulus, and stress. இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் dimensional formulas என்னன்னு சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Right. M L power -1 and T power -2. Yes, very good. Next one, set 10. That is EMF. EMF, potential difference, and electric potential. இதோட values, இதோட dimensional formulas. Does M L square T power minus 3 into A power minus 1. Yes, of course, EMF, which is nothing but electromotive force. So there is a difference between normal force and electromotive force. Okay, force in பார்த்த உடனே ml t power minus 2 னு போடக்கூடாது. Okay, so electromotive force வெறும் force impulsive force அப்படின்றத கரெக்டா பார்த்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். Okay, children. Next, set 11, the last one. That is heat capacity. Heat capacity or Boltzmann constant. Sometimes they put rend n also. 2n also, it is a Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann constant. So what is the value for this one? That is the m L square T power minus 2 and K power minus 1. Okay, so this is the dimensional formula for heat capacity and Boltzmann constant. Okay. Now we can go for the problems, relative problems. So இது வரலும் dimensional formulas எல்லாமே படிச்சாச்சு, dimensionless formulaஸும் நம்ம பார்த்தாச்சு. So இத relate பண்ணி வரக்கூடிய questions எல்லாமே நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். Okay. So problem number 1. Which pair do not have dimensions? Okay, first one, energy and torque. Energy and torque. Second one, force and impulse. Third one, angular momentum. And Planck constant. Planck's constant. And fourth one, elastic modulus and pressure. Okay, try to answer this question, children. இது எல்லா quantitiesமே it should be in pairs. Okay. எந்த ரெண்டு குவான்டிட்டிஸ்க்கு டைமென்ஷன்ஸ் வந்து it should not be equal dimensions சொல்லுங்க பாக்கலாம். எந்த ரெண்டு பேர்ஸோட டைமென்ஷன்ஸ் வந்து it is not to be equal. ஆப்ஷன் 1 2 3ல இருக்கிற எல்லா ஆப்ஷன்ஸுமே மாத்தி மாத்தி போடக்கூடாது. கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Yes, right. Second one is the correct one. Okay. So what is the formula for force? It is mLt power minus 2. And for impulse, it is mLt power minus 1. Okay. So எந்த ரெண்டு பேர் ஈக்குவல் இல்ல அப்படின்னா force and impulse தான் நம்மளுக்கு ஈக்குவல் கிடையாது. Okay. Next one. Second. Tell me the dimensional formula of magnetic flux. Magnetic flux. The options are m0 L power minus 2, T power minus 2, and A power minus 2. Second one, mL0 T power minus 2, A power minus 2. And third one, mL square T power minus 2 and A power minus 1. And fourth one, mL square T power minus 1, A cube. Okay, try to answer. What is the dimensional formula for magnetic flux? Yes, the option 3 is the correct one. Option 3 is the correct one. So இப்ப நம்ம பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிற questions எல்லாமே previous yearsல நீட்ல கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கிற questions தான். Okay. Next, third one. The dimensions of RCS. Option A, square of time. And option B, square of inverse time. And option C, it is time. And option D, it is inverse time. So what is the correct option? So what is the formula for time related with RC? It is a very simple question, but it is a confused question also, right? So time which D is equal to RC. Okay, so the corresponding answer is time. Okay. Next, fourth one. Dimension. What is the dimension formula for pressure? Dimensional formula for pressure. Options: m L T power minus 2, m L power minus 1 and T power minus 2. And for option C, m L power minus 2, T power minus 2. And D, m power minus 1 and L power minus 1. So what is the answer? Yes, very good. It is m L power minus 1 and T power minus 2. Yes, right. Then one more question, that is fifth. The dimensional formula, dimensions of impulse or equal to that of option A, pressure, B, linear momentum, and C, it is force, and D, it is angular momentum. Okay. Try this one. Option B. Very good. Option B. Option B is the right one. Very good. Next one. The last problem. Okay. The dimensions of mu naught, epsilon naught, power minus half are. Options are A, L power half, T power minus half, and B, L power minus 1 into T, and C, it is L T power minus 1, and D, L power half, T power half. Okay. RC means it is the resistance and capacitance. Okay. And the inductance circuit la nama poduvom illaya. R T is equal to RC. That is here R represents the resistance and C represents the capacitance. Okay, now tell me the answer, children. Yes, very good. The option is C. How to solve this one? So we are known the formula for C. C is equal to 1 divided by square root of mu naught epsilon naught அப்படின்றது நமக்கு தெரியும். ரைட்டா? So இதுல இந்த values நம்ம மேல எடுத்துட்டு போலாம். So square root of mu naught epsilon naught power minus half. So நம்மளுக்கு questionல கேட்டிருக்கிறது என்ன? இதுதான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Okay. So what is the value of square root of this one? Okay. So here we don't put it the square bracket. Okay. One, sorry. One divided by mu naught epsilon naught the whole power half. The half square root பதிலா half எழுதிக்கிறோம். So இந்த half நம்ம மேல எடுத்துட்டு வரோம். So mu naught epsilon naught the whole power minus half. இந்த values வந்து எதுக்கு equivalent? இந்த values நம்மளோட C க்கு equivalent value. What is meant by C? Which is nothing but velocity of light. Okay. So velocity of light க்கு நம்மளுக்கு values தெரியும் இல்லையா? What is the dimensional formula for velocity of light? It is L t power minus 1. So இங்க ஆப்ஷன்ல அந்த values எங்க இருக்குன்னு பாருங்க. It is L t power minus 1. Okay. It is easy, children. Yes. So dimensional formulas நம்ம தரவா இருந்தோம் அப்படின்னா இந்த மாதிரி சிம்பிளா கேட்கிற क्वेश्चंस நம்மளால ஈஸியா ஆன்சர் பண்ணி மார்க் வாங்க முடியும். சரியா? சோ இந்த 50 நாள்ல நம்ம என்ன பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னா கொஞ்சமா படிக்கணும். பட் நீட்ல கேட்கக்கூடிய क्वेश्चंस தான் நம்ம படிக்கணும். ரைட்டா? அத கிறிஸ்பியா படிக்கணும். ஈஸியா படிக்கணும் அப்படிங்கும்போது இந்த சிம்பிள் கான்செப்ட்ஸ் நம்ம ஞாபகம் வச்சிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா ஈஸியா மார்க் ஸ்கோர் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓகே. சோ டைமென்ஷனல் ஃபார்முலாஸ் எல்லாமே நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பேர்ஸா கொடுத்துருக்கோம் இல்லையா? செட் 1 செட் 2 அந்த மாதிரி பேர்ஸா கொடுத்துருக்கோம் இல்லையா? அத நம்ம வீட்ல டெய்லி பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டே வாங்க. ஓகே, ஒரு 2 days நீங்க பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணா போதும். ஈஸியா நம்மளால எந்த ஃபார்முலாஸ் கொடுத்தாலும் டைமென்ஷனல் ஃபார்முலா நம்மளால கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி எழுத முடியும். ஓகே. Okay, children. Thank you for your cooperation. Meet you on Monday. ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு 3 கிளாஸஸ் போயிருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோஸ்மே நம்மளது சேனல்ல இருக்கும். நீங்க போட்டு பார்த்துட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல இருந்து ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டு வாங்க. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் செகண்ட் கிளாஸ் மிஸ் பண்ணவங்க எல்லாருமே சேனல்ல போய் பார்த்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் ரெகுலரா கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்க. அப்பதான் இட் வில் பி வெரி ஈஸி. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ சில்ட்ரன்.